Hi guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Tuesdays with Tricky. We're doing a little setup, and as you can see, we are outside of the club.
Hi guys, it's me, Tricky. Today, this Tuesday, we're gonna be in the kitchen cooking, because that's my specialty. And since it's Tuesdays with me, we should do what I like to do, right?
So there's no air conditioning in the kitchen, and I'm dying. All right, so we're just setting up because we're gonna do something I've never done before. I've never cooked. We're going to be talking about a featured product. We have an interactive learning binder, and this has really been helpful with these lockdown days with Levi, just to have an activity. And I have a little surprise. Well, Lady B Mixology has a surprise for Tracy. She's looking at it, so it's no longer a surprise.
I'm so excited for it.
And I have a new...
I feel like this camera needs to tip up because my head is being cut off.
All right, let me tell you.
Okay,
You tell me.
So I dressed up. Do you guys like my little outfit? I got it from a maison.
How's that?
It's better, but like, can you tip it? No, up. Yeah, okay, not so much up. A little bit down. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
I got it from a store called A Maison. A Maison?
A maison.
Where did you get yours?
This a maison.
A Maison as well?
A maison. A maison.
Oh.
A maison. We have a lot of things to read, you know.
Oh my gosh, I was going to buy this off of A Maison too.
Well, it was because we went to Silver Sand. So we're going to be using an instant pressure cooker for the first time. So we don't even read the instructions. Like, does this go in there?
Wow, I thought you would have had everything ready for us to go.
Well, I figured that if we go live on Instagram, everybody's a bloody know-it-all, so they'll tell us what we're doing wrong anyway.
I think this is for when you fry and you lower down the things. I don't know, let me fix my hair.
Oh, wait. No, I don't have back there. The light isn't on.
Oh.
White light, yellow light.
White light. And then I think these lights overhead are causing a glare down. It's very technical trying to get everything set up, you know. Yeah, that looks kind of better.
You know what it is? It's at the windows. Oh, let me turn it on to it.
Getting everything set up for these shoots, you guys, is honestly, like, it takes us, well, it takes Joey, I don't do anything with that. It takes her like a good 45 minutes to get the setup done, whether it's in the closet or not, because the lighting, and then we have to get everything that we're going to use, bring it upstairs. Okay, this is better.
That's better?
Yeah.
Right, and I believe it's 1:30.
It's 1:28.
Oh, okay. Let's just drink.
So,
well, let's read instructions a little bit.
So anyway, Stevie is now 3 months old, and so she is no longer considered a newborn. She's considered an infant, right? And I was having a really rough week. I've been having a really rough week with her. I guess because everybody says this, and I didn't really understand it, but you don't ever really understand something until you're going through it, right? That you think you get used to one thing and then she totally switches up the script, right? And she's having a really bad colic all the time. She has really bad colic. Like, she drinks her colic medicine. Scott calls it baby Appleton because he thinks she's...
What's that? Fridge is back on.
Oh,
we're having a windstorm.
I know. Because he thinks she's addicted to it. Yeah, the colic is bad. The other day the colic was so bad, I started to cry. Like, I lost it. I absolutely 100% lost it. And honestly, that was a couple of days ago, and that was on Saturday, and I don't think I've recovered. Like, mentally, I don't think I've recovered. It's been so
1:30. Did you sell on them backside? And people are at home now, so they're like, oh my gosh, we're so bored. What are we gonna do? All right, so we're gonna try 2 different angles. Oh, but you have a glare. You have a glare. Let's get rid of your glare.
Hi, Joe.
Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky.
Hello.
so we're trying something different today. You know, it's lockdown, everybody's bored, and so we have decided to come out of the closet. So welcome to another episode, guys. So we're doing something really different. So on IG, we try and have you as close as pause. Did you sell? Let's come off of the Wi-Fi.
Okay, we're in the middle of a windstorm. We're in the middle of a wind.
Did you sell? Are you ready? Are you ready? Did you sell? Are you ready? Ready? Okay, good. So we're in the middle of a windstorm, so we're right.
Station, click.
Up. Sean, can we switch the flow? Spice said. Okay, we're trying something different today. We are in the kitchen and we're going to be cooking something we've never cooked. We're going to be using an apparatus I just bought
that we've never used.
Right, that we've never used.
I'm going to be making a special salad today. We got some organic mixed greens. So I'm going to show you how to...
I find that you're taking the easy road out. So I've cooked curry chicken before. I've never cooked curry goat. So we're going to be making curry goat together. And we're going to be using my brand new electric pressure cooker. So I figured what better way to, you know, test it out, because I'm sure you guys can help me out. So we're going to be cooking. And what else?
Comments. Oh, red, thank you.
The goat smell high. Anyway, what else are we going to be doing? So you guys are going to help us out.
Yeah.
And if you guys want the full version, the wider angle, you need to check us out over on our YouTube channel. We've kind of separated the cameras today, just for a little bit of like pizzazz, spice, you know? All right, so the first thing we want to do, everybody's in lockdown with them kids and you're about to strangle them.
Today, Lady B said,
so you drink
a special hard cider. Thank you, Lady B Mixology. This flavor is tamarind mango and I love a cider. So it's 6% alcohol, so I'm actually not going to finish all of it, but I am going to take a taste. I'll finish it.
And today I'll be sipping on a plum passion mint basil from Lady B Mixology. No, it's not raining. We're just having like a freak windstorm outside. All right. So for all of you parents out there, you know.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm in that category now.
Yeah, but your child can't read.
Oh. How do you know? What if she's advanced?
Okay, fine. Then this is for her. I want to introduce you guys to this Brain Buzz Hub interactive learning binder. Okay? This is the interactive learning binder. And it's handmade and it's personalized. Alright? So Brain Buzz has made a personalized one for Levi. So as you can see on the front, it had his picture on it. You know, kids like to feel like this is my stuff here, this is mine. Alright? So his binder comes with, you know, personalized things in there, and it has a little baggie with the things that you'll need. Let me taste it. Yeah, that's good. So it has little things like this. So they recommend that when you're working on each page, you take it out of the binder. So it says, I can spell my own name. Levi, how you spell your name?
L-E-V-I-A. Very good. Very good. L-E-V-I. And what does the H stand for? Henriquez.
So here we have Levi. It's all mixed up. We're working on the first name here, right? And then it has different things here. So what Brain Buzz is doing is they're
so where is Brain Buzz? Is this a Jamaican company?
Yes, it is. It's a Jamaican company. We're going to put all of the information over on the Mecca Jamaica page on IG. All right, and their Instagram page is Brain Buzz Hub.
So let me ask you something with the Brain Buzz things, right? So every Brain Buzz folder that you get it's personalized.
So they asked me a few questions. So this page here says, I know my birthday. My birth date is February 20th, 2017.
Oh, so they do the dotted line so he can write.
Right.
So they give you special markers?
Yes, the little marker is here so he can write his birthday. Then the next page, my address. I know my age, and he has candles, so he can put the candles there, they pull up, so he can stick 4 candles on the cake and stick them on. So right now, look here, the learning thing, well, you need to like, you know, here. So I like to practice my penmanship, so we have letters here, and again, the marker, Brain Buzz Hub. This is such a great, Levi, how old are you?
4! 4!
good.
So we sit and we work with Levi with our Brain Buzz Hub learning binder, and it promotes the 4 C's. Critical thinking, which is very important. We find that nowadays a lot of kids don't really have those critical thinking skills.
Did you want to say something about your binder?
Communication, right? Also collaboration and creativity. I can put the days of the week in order. All right? This is such a great idea.
How the days of the week go?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. Oh, you skip out Thursday. My favorite day of the week, that's enough.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Thursday's your favorite day of the week?
Yeah, because it's like, I like to look forward to the weekend, you know?
Levi, what's your favorite day of the week?
My favorite is next week.
Alright,
that's
that's right. We go through the body parts. It's a really nice little folder. You have the 3D shapes. It's really cool to work with the kids.
Okay, I said I wasn't going to
fun.
finish this whole thing because it's 6% alcohol, but I think I'm going to. It tastes really good.
At Brain Buzz Hub, we're going to post on the Mecca Jamaica page, and you will see all of the details. And later, I will do a little activity with Levi in the Brain Buzz Hub learning binder, and you can see just how great it is.
Well, I think that's really nice because it makes everything a little bit easier for you when you're at home with the kids.
Yeah,
instead of trying to spazzle out or spaz out to try and find something, you actually know exactly what you're doing. You know where you've last left off. And is it in an order for consecutive learning?
No. You can pick whatever page you want. But the thing is that, so when I was doing Corona College, the night before, I would be cutting out things.
Right.
I would be preparing. I'd be writing on the window what we want to do.
Right.
So with the Brain Buzz folder, I have everything there. I can quickly do, come Levi, come, and we do a page.
One done, Bella. It's a Brain Buzz folder. If you go onto the Mecca Jamaica page after this, we will have it. Careful,
There we go. There's a
we'll have it
folder.
up on the Mecca Jamaica page that you can order your own personalized Brain Buzz folder.
So they'll ask you for some information on it. There's Brain Buzz now.
And Brain Buzz is here. If you have any questions, you can ask them.
Hey, I want to tell them something.
Make sure you tell them something you learned out of your folder. What did you learn out of your folder?
My birthday wasn't in the birthday.
Yeah, but do you know what is your birthday? February 20. Yeah.
And I accidentally bumped my head, but not me. I did it.
Oh, you mean before? Okay, we don't need to
Before
talk.
I go to the doctor, but Jacob pushed me on a metal table and we're at
Okay.
Jacob's.
Yes. All right.
All
We're
right.
moving on now. All
Okay.
right. Can it be shipped to Canada? I'm sure it can. Brain Buzz is here.
Yeah, definitely. I don't see why it can't be shipped. Actually, you know what? Canada, they cut out shipping from Jamaica, so I'm sure Brain Buzz can ship there, but we just have to check if Canada is accepting shipments from Jamaica right now. Anyway, just want to say that's the word from our sponsors.
That goat here smell eye. We have to start put some seasoning on it. That goat here. Oh.
So how are you going to see? Okay, so today we're making curry goat, right? I have never in my life made curry goat.
Me neither. I've made curry chicken. So from what I hear, when you're making
this, I guess this is a really interactive show today
because you need to help us.
Okay, I've never made curry goat. I don't even know how to use curry, to be honest with you. I know you have to like burn it first.
You can, but nowadays the way that they make seasonings and the way how they process them, you don't need to burn the curry first. You're not gonna die if you don't burn the curry first. Sorry to tell you that, guys. So I think what you really have to do is just shoot everything in the pot. But then I don't know how much we're gonna do jasmine rice alongside. Alright, let's wash hands.
So I'm gonna make a salad. I'm gonna make we actually got some salad today from a Jamaican company who is, this is what happens when we're outside of the closet. We are back
From the bathroom.
So we actually got some salad, mixed lettuce and mixed greens from a company.
Alright, Levi.
This is what happens when we come out of the closet, you know. So anyway, this is called Smart Grow. The company is called Smart Grow. And it is a bunch of young... What?
She said she has a pot. Remy was right, standing up there.
Who has a pot? Who has a pot?
My mixed family. Yeah. What was it?
Where is Remy? Remy is over there with Uncle Scott and Stevie. So anyway, this is from a company called Smart Grow right here in Jamaica. It's an all organic company. Even the plastic that they use to package the lettuce in, this is recyclable. It's organic, and you can find this in a couple of supermarkets, Lo Shusan. Let me get the list of what supermarkets they said. But anyway, so this is lettuce and this is seasonal mixed greens. The difference with this one is that the seasonal mixed greens includes lettuce, kale, assortments of herbs, and microgreens. It just depends on what's in season. So sometimes they may add a little fennel, sometimes they may add a little arugula. So this has a broader flavor palette than this one that is just mixed lettuce.
We need to order up and season the goat, Tracy, man.
Jodi, start seasoning the goat then. I don't know what to do with it.
Okay, so the first thing, so it's an electric pressure cooker. So I would assume that the first thing that we're going to do is season the curry up and put in the pressure cooker pot. And then just put all of the seasonings in here. What's happened? Don't fight with the chair. All right, so I don't really want to touch this curry skin. Really high. All right, hold on. Let's move YouTube over here because we're not giving YouTube any love.
Okay, so let me tell you where you can buy them. Lo Shusan, General Fruit, John R. Watt, Mega Mart, and Super Value Fresh. So I actually like using these things because I contacted one of the owners to ask him. I said, yo, they look like they've been washed already. Have these been pre-washed? They've all been pre-washed. But he does recommend that you do give them a little wash over again before you get them. But they have all been washed. So I guess if you don't have any water, like
ginger.
Ginger?
You have a thing like a ginger in the curry, but I don't have any ginger. We use ginger powder. Okay. So we're going to get the stinky curry.
So all of the lettuce is organic lettuce grown as well. And I think that the price point of this is very good because if you were to grab heads of lettuce, cut them off and wash them, it would probably come up to around the same price as one of these boxes. That is organic lettuce.
Alright, the goat is already washed. Cara was so kind as to wash the goat. Oh, there's blood! There's blood. Okay. Alright, let's go for it. Alright, we're gonna put the goat into the crop. I hate the smell of goat. Alright, we're gonna put the goat in the pan. You want orange juice?
Uncle Scott, help her from it. Uncle
Scott, really get you some orange juice. Oh, my hands are gonna smell so bad.
I am not touching that.
Okay.
Somebody told us to season the goat first.
Yeah, I'm gonna season it in this pot.
Okay.
Alright, and I rub it up in this pot because I have space in this pot.
So,
wait, I have to wash my hands with soap.
I really don't understand what's going on here. Somebody says this is too much goat. Well, it's for me, Scott, Sean,
I know we're cooking for.
Joy.
Alright, then we're gonna add. Alright, Cara cut up some seasoning because I think we need to cut more. This is garlic. We're gonna need some more.
Do we need more seasonings, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, how come all of a sudden Scott is in this though?
Alright, let's cut up some onion. Let's cut up some.
And we need to season the goat
We're
first.
going to cut it. We're going to cut it. We're going to cut it.
Scott is such a John Crow. How you landing at this? Watch him coming over here now. Him just want a piece of the video lighty. Watch him now.
Go to Uncle Scott. He will help you.
Come, Remy, come.
Alright, let's cut up some onion.
Come, Remy.
You're so aggressive.
What do you mean? Cut, what you want to do? Cut dainty?
Anyway,
Want to season the goat?
what's seasoning? No! Where is Stevie?
This pot,
Stevie's
you can
seasoning
rub it
up
up
right
in
there.
this pot.
Well, should I get a big basin so they can move?
So should I use the seasonal mixed greens or the mixed lettuce for my, or should I mix half and half for my salad?
there's a fennel thing in there that I don't like. So use the one that doesn't have the fennel. But this is the lettuce that I buy. You get a lot in the container, and
You guys want to see Stevie, my sweetie?
not right now.
How do you mean? Okay, so I'm just gonna do half and half for this so that it can. I still want a large flavor palette for my.
I can't believe I'm not.
Dude, you're so aggressive.
I'm cutting. What do you want me to do? Oh, here you go, little onion. Please pierce through knife. You have to cut. If you have cut, you have to cut. I think I could use one more onion still. What do you guys think?
Where's your?
Scott is right. Put this between this and the pan the goat came out of. I will mix it up. Stop worrying about the pan, man.
You know, Trini, why are you worrying about the pan, man?
If you don't burn the curry, it's gonna run your belly. They don't make seasons like that anymore.
So, where's your thing to wash the lettuce?
The salad spinner is in the pantry. And not only that, but I watched a chef on TikTok, and yes, he burnt the curry first, but then he added curry while the pot was on. Then he added curry. That curry didn't burn, so why did that curry run his belly? Just stop it. And it's a pressure. The curry is going in the pressure cooker. It's not going to run your belly. Besides, a little running belly will help with any weight loss that you need to do. All right, what am I doing? Take the lettuce away from the meat. That is correct. Trey.
Yeah.
Lettuce away from the meat.
Oh, sorry.
And wash it in the sink behind there. Yes, you work back there with your. Thank you.
Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm going to take half and half. So half of the mixed green and half of the lettuce. And I'm going to wash that. I'm doing the most important job now. Anyway. So, of course, Jodi has some fancy mixed spinach. What is this?
So my trick with the garlic, more onion. That's 3 onions in there now. More onion. Just add. I don't have any ginger. You should have seasoned it. Well, all right, I'm going to put my garlic in the microwave for 15 seconds.
What is it called?
You want a kisto? Okay, come in.
Can you take this chair out the way, Levi, so I don't slip and pop my booty?
What color you want?
Blue.
Yeah, blue. Pop the booty. Pop the booty. Pop the booty.
No popping any booty.
I'm gonna put the booty.
I'm going to pop your booty.
I'm gonna pop.
Okay, so if I'm using like a lot of garlic, like a whole entire head, I will pop the garlic in the microwave for 15 seconds because what it will do is it will just help the garlic to just, it's a little hot. All right, let me let that cool. It just pops right out of the it just pops
the garlic booty?
right out. Ow!
Pop the garlic booty?
It just pops right out.
By the way, Jodi's microwave has to be the most confusing microwave in the whole entire world.
It just, see, it just pops the microwave, the microwave just pops out.
Okay, I just want to show you how much lettuce is packed into these little bowls, into these little things. I have filled up this with lettuce. I used half of this and some, actually not even half, I used some of this and some of that. And there's still so much lettuce, like they jam-packed the lettuce in here. This is crazy.
Ow, ow, ow. So just, you want a yogurt?
Yeah.
Alright,
This is why we stay in the cupboard. Crush up the garlic. I'm going to do 1 head whole.
Okay, I'm getting the yogurt for you, Rem.
Alright, hold on. Crush
What
up
is
the garlic.
Stevie doing?
There's some garlic in there already crushed up.
What is Stevie doing? She's dancing? And the yogurt in the fridge?
Alright.
Where is it?
Wash the things before putting in my meat. Chop the garlic, chop the garlic. Alright, so I was going to do another clove of garlic and put that through the
How do you work this thing? Where do you put the water?
You put it in the bowl. And here, use salad wash.
water run through this?
No, the water's already in there. So what you're doing with that is you're drying it off. So wash your salad with your hand.
Oh.
All right, so that's 2 whole heads of garlic. Do I add?
It's not the same like what Mommy had. Mommy's on you ran the water.
I need a drink. They'd be mixology. Okay. Okay, so I have 2 heads of garlic. I have 3 onions. I have some thyme. I don't have any ginger. So
Do you
now,
have ginger powder?
yeah, I have ginger powder. So that's, I have some scallion in here too. So now I'm going to add my dried seasonings.
I'm washing the lettuce.
The meat was washed before. The meat was already washed, and I couldn't find any better pat curry in the supermarket last week. I know that's the best curry, couldn't find any. Okay, so I have all of my herbs and seasonings. I'm going to wash my hands, and I'm going to add my dried seasoning. All right.
Okay. So I am making the best salad ever with my amazing salad, right? From Smart Grow Salads. And what you guys need for your salad is you need a pack of sunflower seeds. So I use the salted sunflower seeds, and the reason is because I like how it comes up. If I flip my hair, does it look better? Yeah, that looks so much better.
I don't have any ginger.
Okay. Girl, flip your hair. Just joking. Anyway, so I use the salted sunflower seeds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just throw these in a pan with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and then I'm just going to mix it around till the sugar starts to melt, and then all of it will kind of like just clump up together. And then I'm going to put that, let that cool off. It kind of is like candy, so sometimes I eat it just like that. I know. So actually I sometimes make 2 packs so I can eat it. And then I'm going to throw that on top of the salad when it cools, and throw some mandarin slices. I don't even use salad dressing, and everybody thinks I'm amazing. At least more amazing than I already am.
Alright, black pepper. I don't even have any ginger powder. Winsome, are you here? Maybe I can get some next door. Onion powder.
Oh. So where's your patties? Where's your pots?
What kind of pot you want?
By your chair.
Maggie.
Fits? We'll put the Maggie fits.
A little bit of turmeric.
But I mean, like, what are you doing? Making your own curry?
No, I'm going to put curry powder, but I don't have the curry I wanted to get, so I only have this curry.
Is that enough? YouTube can't see enough. YouTube can't see what you're doing.
Oh, but this seasoning. Sorry, YouTube.
Come bring Stevie, let them see it.
No, but now on YouTube, all they can see is the cooking.
Is curry? Okay.
Oh, too much seasoning. Sorry. And then on top of that, now I'm going to add some white pepper.
Why? That's so much pepper. I can't eat pepper.
What are we doing wrong?
I think that is a little bit of seasoning for all that meat. Everybody says you need more seasoning. Why don't you rub it up and then see?
Yeah, I'm going to rub it and see. Hold on, let me get this out the way.
Do you have gloves or something?
No.
You don't have gloves?
No.
Oh my, your nails are gonna get so yellow.
I think I have to put a little bit of,
Maybe you might want to wash out the other pot and do like a chuk.
Okay.
I'm gonna start with my sunflower seeds because this whole curry thing looks so interesting. And I wore white. Hold on, let me see what's wrong with my daughter.
Alright, I'm washing out the other pan. It's the largest pan that I have. I don't have this basin that Scott keeps talking about. Alright. So, here we go. It's washed out. And now I'm going to mix it up.
But before you mix, let me bring Stevie on. Hi everyone.
Hi Stevie. Okay.
That is what you must see.
Yeah, but actually it's smaller than this thing.
Yeah, but you can move it around better. Or you can move around your hand in a pot like that.
I was going to use a spoon.
You can't season with spoon, my girl. You have to use your hand.
Alright, well then why don't you come and use your hands and
No.
She just don't want, she don't want it just to say mix seasoning. She want to say shake it. She's going to take all the flop or all the glory, one of the two.
Yeah, definitely need more curry powder, eh?
The next curry powder you put in a
Oh, lots of chefs here, eh?
Lots of chefs.
tell them to do it in your area and no man listen anyway.
Well, I'm measuring it now to see what else I need.
I don't understand what you listen to and do it like pronto.
See the
Huh?
little daddy? Yeah.
Alright, definitely need some more curry powder.
Come guys, back
And,
into the
alright.
playroom. Come back into the playroom.
Yes, be back.
Yes. Did you want?
I told you we need more salt. Glanza girl says we need more salt. Rudy says we need more seasoning. And
So when you say salt, can I just use the Maggi alone?
No.
Salt?
Yes. Oh yeah, try mine.
I'm not a
and
salty girl though.
somebody is saying, "Ooh, luxury love says pimento. Add
hold
a
on then.
pimento."
Huh? This pan goes in there. Hold on, mama.
Wait, no, we don't
Okay,
need.
that's enough salt.
You need more salt than that?
But there's salt in the Maggi.
That don't matter.
No, this is not. This is not. No, Scott.
No!
Scott just doesn't want to listen, you know.
No, listen me.
Because you're such a know-it-all.
What kind of salt you want, man? Too much salt. You mustn't be a salty person.
Can I just have a teaspoon?
Alright?
Did you have your lunch?
We're on the
Yes,
curry.
I did.
So you want to take the curry powder now. The oil.
I just put powder.
Mommy,
Can you
I
take
have
sugar? Take sugar from there. No, more
Let's put
sugar.
sugar up there.
Don't put sugar there. Alright, I need that hot now because I need to help mix.
No, wait, where oil?
You can't put oil in there.
Let's put little oil in there.
You can't put in the. No, we're not burning the curry. They don't make curry like that anymore. The curry come ready to eat.
Who said curry not to burn?
Curry, you don't need to burn curry anymore.
Just wash them.
It's Indian curry. The Indians don't burn their curry.
Yeah.
This is why we don't.
This is why we stay in the closet.
This is why we stay in the closet, guys.
Curry for burn.
Where's the girl
Curry for
that
burn.
use the? Okay, so you burn that curry, but you don't burn the curry that's on the chicken.
No, because that when cook with the water that this.
This is going to cook. All of this is going to cook in the water
No,
now.
it get a better flavor. Just.
Let's do shots.
Here, can you hold the child?
Come down. All right.
People when they tell them say curry for burn now, please.
No,
Wanna
we
just
don't
burn
need to
it?
burn. We're not burning this curry. We're making an unburnt curry dish. Okay, let's put this in that now. Then there's more curry powder down in there.
Yes. You need to put little water in there. Wait.
I'm going to put the water on top.
No, to mix the curry with some water if you're not going to use the oil. You can't just cheese or peas or I don't know what kind of fiasco going on.
It's going in the crock pot. It will be fine. See, we just mix it around.
What is it doing? Which one you want?
All right.
Alright. This is why I cook things I know how to cook, you know.
I mean, everybody has to start
Oh,
somewhere.
was that for you? So why them on your level?
Okay. That is the season.
Oh,
Here,
my
guys.
goodness. These sausages aren't good.
Why? It's soggy. Do I have any in my cupboard?
Those were the ones from your cupboard.
Oh. Okay, I have everything in my pot now.
Wait.
I'm going to wipe it off and put it in. I'm gonna add some water in. No, let me put it in here first. This is so confusing. Alright, let's put some water. Man, I wish we were in the cupboard.
Come here, come.
Everybody always asks why we don't come out the cupboard. This is why we don't come out the cupboard.
Foolishness, here.
So you'll be eating foolishness for dinner. Let us see what's going on. Scallion. You put some scallion
Yes,
in there?
scallion is in there, but I could put like some whole pieces.
Yeah. You put some powdered ginger in there?
I don't have any powdered ginger.
Oh no. What else is there? I can't eat scotchy because I'm breastfeeding, so no scotchy for me today. We added more curry. Thank you. Welcome. Poor Stevie just wants some peace and quiet. It's true. It's true. I think Stevie wants to breastfeed.
This is a lot. Alright. Let us put now. Alright, let's see how you work this now. Okay.
I'll come and breastfeed you in a second.
Alright, so now we're going to lock this up. Wait, water is supposed to go in here too?
I thought that you knew what you were doing.
No, I've never used this before. I put water.
So, for my recipe, I'm opening a pack of sunflower seeds, and these ones are raw. The salted ones that Jodi had in her cupboard tasted bad.
They were just old, they never tasted bad.
Yeah, they were old. Because that's a brand I usually buy. So there. So put some sunflower seeds and we taste it. Okay, these ones taste okay.
I don't know what this little
This
thing
is
is.
just so confusing right now.
How do you put this on?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Oh my God. See these killing me.
Okay, let's put this over here. Alright, where's the plug?
I don't know.
Okay, so now, how long do I put this on for?
I have no idea. I have to warm up Stevie's water.
Is that a pot non-stick? Yes, it's an electric pressure cooker. It's an electric pressure cooker.
Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. I have to warm up some breast milk for Stevie.
Meats and poultry. So, pressure level high. I'm gonna do it for 30 minutes. Venting, okay. All right, so let's turn on the pressure cooker. Let's drink.
I'm warming up some stuff.
I put water in there.
I know Scott is so late. He's coming in with all these instructions, and all I've asked him to do is look after Stevie.
No oil in there?
Can't even.
There's no, you don't need. It's a non-stick. What are you putting oil in there for?
You have to put oil to go in the
They know it all.
No, we're gonna burn the curry in water.
Even his 2 cents. They know it all.
I've got the milk.
It's being hotted up. You guys are stressing me out. Stressing me right out.
Is goat a poultry?
Goat
No, it's a meat.
is not a poultry.
It's a red meat.
Okay, so I'm doing my thing now. And so this one was not salted.
Alright, pressure cook 30.
So
Turn to
Keep warm.
So I'm just gonna put some salt in here because these sunflower seeds were raw,
Start on this.
unsalted.
So that means it's on?
Do you want
It's
it?
on, it's on. Alright.
Okay. So I just put some salt in here.
Are you still touching the food?
And to this,
Those
my
are
raw.
the daddy. But
Shush! I'm doing my thing, girl. Just can't get any respect in here. So difficult in these streets. Okay. So these were raw, unsalted sunflower seeds. So I just put some salt in there. And then I'm gonna get some brown sugar to add to it. Jodi, you can talk.
So I just turned on my brand new pressure cooker. Goat is not a poultry. It's on medium on normal for 35 minutes. I put all my seasonings in. I have 3 garlic, I have 2 garlic, 3 onion. Oh, I forgot to add more scallion, but I have scallion in there. The only thing we don't have in there is ginger. But it's okay, we're gonna do fine. We'll put in 3 cups of water and we're now going to use the electricity to pressure cook it.
So then to my sunflower seeds, I'm going to add 3.
You know this is not a stove.
Table. They can't see me on the stove, so I'm doing what I need to do before I move to the stove. Yo, honestly, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. 1, 2. Actually, I'm just gonna add 2 because that looks like a lot. So you want to see it so it looks like that brown sugar mixed in with the sunflower seeds. Okay? It's not too much brown sugar, not too much, but this is a small pack of sunflower seeds. Anyway, so now I'm going to take this over to the stove and I'm just going to get it melty. While I'm doing that, I don't know if Jodi can bring the cameras over or
Too many cameras to move. So now what we're going to do, I don't know, jasmine rice. We're going to make jasmine rice as our accompaniment. Boy, the food. Don't put the plastic in your mouth, Levi. Don't do that. We are sipping on some Lady B mixology today because we need a little bit of happiness. Calmness. We've never used an electric pressure cooker before, so I'm just trying a thing. Who is the oldest? I'm the oldest. What's the backup plan? Ends. No, but okay, so the most it will do is it won't taste, I don't know, it can't not taste good. It will just taste okay. It won't taste wicked. Because I've seasoned it with curry. I put it in a pressure cooker. What more you want? What more needs to happen, really and truly? I mean,
I'm just warming up some breast milk. So this is
so we're gonna put a little breast milk on top of the curry goat, and that will add that nice creaminess.
Yeah.
So you can have, and it adds vitamins. So everybody who eats the curry goat will have breasts. So that's why I thought goat was a poultry.
Yes, because we have some breast milk in there. It's good nutrients. Breast is
best.
Breast is
best.
Breast is
best. Is that why every time I didn't remember what to say?
I don't know. It's like you never had breast before.
Pressure it for 45 minutes. I have it on 30. What, Winsome, where are you?
Alright, let me just put
them shorter seasoning. What is Winsome doing?
I don't understand what you guys
No, we're not calling ding dong. We're not ready for ding dong yet.
Oh my goodness. Hold on.
Your seeds are burning. It's going to taste okay.
Oh my gosh, so much to do.
Bottle.
Put the milk in the bottle for me. Or stir the seeds, one or the other.
I'll put the milk in the bottle.
Okay.
Alright, so.
And tell me how many ounces is that?
Alright. Alright, here we go. I'm not going to touch too much. Levi, you had your lunch, babes?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Alright, here we go. So we have our breast milk to go on top of the curry goat here. Levi, give this to Remy for me, please. A little less than an ounce.
Okay, give that to
Stevie. Yes, Stevie.
Maybe we should
just joking, guys. We're not gonna put breast milk on the curry. Tasting it. No. Change the name of the segment to Traumatic Tuesdays with Tricky.
No, this is really traumatic though. Like seriously.
Jeez, how much time is left, man? Not stress me out.
Right out.
Why, love, how you ignoring me?
Who?
That's all Stevie's eating. She was breastfed before, and that's all that Traci was able to pump into that bag.
She was breastfed before.
She was breastfed. She was like, take the top up.
Yeah, she just being greedy.
And then she'll have a little curry goat after.
Yeah.
May cook some beef and black bean sauce. That sounds good. Maybe I'll be coming to your house. Are you going to be doing more than an hour today? We'll come to you to let you know how the meat actually tastes. You know, Maybe we'll do a surprise live. Like, were you guys on the live last night? Night before last when Traci and I went live. Bermuda in the house, jasmine rice. We love a jasmine rice. Hey Joe, can you respond to my email please? I'll check my emails after this. Traumatic Tuesdays. Do another live after this. Okay, we'll do another live after this.
Okay, so I'm over here. I'm melting the sugar onto
She's melting the sugar and the sunflower seeds.
I mean, you have to do it on a high.
I'm not tasting the breast milk. Stop saying that. That's not happening.
Why?
I'm not tasting the breast milk. That smells really good.
Why? What's wrong with my breast milk?
I don't know. I just don't want to taste your breast milk.
Why? I feel offended.
I don't want to taste anybody's breast milk.
I tasted yours.
I don't know. I just feel like I'm going into it with like a closed mind, so it's not going to taste good.
Anyway.
Yes, do another hour. Who wants to see this crock pot? Very good.
I want to see
Pot.
Okay. So this is the sunflower seeds, right? And as you can see, all the sugar has been melted. And first I do it on like really hot. Oh shoot.
Did you spill something there?
No, oh my, the baby. First I do it on the radiator. Check what stuff I'm doing.
I mean, even though Scott helps out, you still have to monitor what he's doing, you know what I mean? Like, he does crazy things. It's like, you know, he's a good dad. That's for sure. Scott's a good dad, but, you know, men just don't have this instinct that women have. We cleaning.
So anyway, you wait till that's let me get that. You wait till that the sugar's melted and melted together, and then it's going to form like a kind of a candy. See how it's sticking to the spoon? It forms kind of a candy. And then, oh man. Alright, so I'm just going to let this cool down now. Cool it down. I wish I knew some more words to that song.
Yeah, like that.
Whoa.
DJ Levi Blaze in the house.
Okay, hot pot.
Alright. So when Traci comes back, the lady, yes, oh Lord. They're upset about the 1 ounce. Stevie is breastfed only. She had from both breasts before the show.
But then I just squeezed out some because I knew that she would miss me and get wonga while I wasn't there. So it wasn't a lot because I don't have any more.
Okay, so she's getting a 1 ounce. She's not even drinking it. She's just in it. Stop climbing on the handles. Your what? Suda?
Where's your Suda?
It's on the sideboard.
This is a kind of sugar. It's all about
That means you broke it. Can we go back in the candy with this? Closet to me thing. So the accompaniment is, was this supposed to go in the crock pot?
I have no idea what that is. Anyway, so I want to tell you guys a story. Story time! Okay, so after I moved back from Barcelona, I had to...
Levi, don't mash it up more, babes. I'll fix it.
Yeah, exactly. For I was showing it's a snack for Steve right now. Anyway, after I moved back from Barcelona now, I had to get a new phone with a new number. Right, so I went and I got my phone, I went and I got my number. And immediately I was like added to this group chat, which was on the WhatsApp, which was really weird.
I love that group chat.
Yeah. So I was like, okay. And it was a Higgler group chat. So I was in the midst of a Higgler group chat, right? Yo, it was the hypest thing ever.
Why did you? Oh, there were too many messages. Traci would be like, yo, goods are coming today. It was so
and there was
much.
like a security guard in there, so in the nights he would always be sending messages.
Whoa. Easy, oh yeah, you know, dish out the secrets.
No, but he was like, is anybody else up? And then one night this girl was up, so the security guard and the girl were talking to each other. And it was like, they were flirting with each other, and then pictures did start get sent, and I was like, yo, no booby or nothing, but just like pictures of them at work, like he was at work and she's lying in her bed, and I'm like, I'm so happy to be a part of this group chat. Anyway, I muted it. I wonder if I can get back into the group.
No,
chat.
you have to have somebody from the Higgler group bring you back in.
Yeah, dude, because in this lockdown, I think that Higgler.
Oh, everybody keeps asking about the outfits. So what I will do is when I go back to post the video, I will drop a link. So they're both, the Traci's skirt is from Amazon and my dress is from Amazon. Probably wear very expensive things from French. Yeah,
From French.
from French. Yeah, Amazon. Amazon. Okay, so I'll link them in the description. Next time, put some round. You can't test me on the rundown. Sorry, can't test me on the rundown.
I make a good rundown.
I make a good. That's the only Jamaican dish.
Right now, let's have a word from our sponsors.
Let's chug it.
I can't do that. Jodi, do you know this I get drunk after this 1.6% soda?
Lady B Mixology in the house. So I would like to thank Lady B Mixology. She made the jungle juice for Remy's birthday.
Whoa!
I had the, remember I had the while I
I
was
wonder if Snoop Dogg would approve of that jungle juice.
I think he would.
Oh!
Yeah.
Snoop
Dogg.
Dogg. Snoop Dogg. You were enjoying it?
I was.
Oh, okay, well, one. Snoop Dogg. Dogg.
We had a grapefruit and rosemary jungle juice margarita.
Let me get my daughter, hold on.
No, I don't mean Amazon. Amazon is for basic bitches. Amazon is from France. Okay? It's from France. Jodi, which company provided the animals from the party? Amazon. Okay?
So, what happened to the rice? Rice don't need to cook right now. We have 45 minutes till rice needs to be cooked.
I don't know
Should
what's
I warm
happening
up
with the
some
pressure
more
cooker.
milk for her?
Make some more. Feed her and bring her over here with you. Let me clean up right here because you know over here can be used for salad and non-meat.
Okay, good. So yeah. Anyway, so there's no more bachelor talk. Somebody's just asking because the bachelor is over, so now it is Bachelor in Paradise. Yo, so this Bachelor in Paradise is like a mashup of all the people who didn't get chosen from past seasons or past shows or whatever, and pretty much they're all losers who come together on this beach vacation. And I didn't watch it last night because Scott and I have been watching a show called Transcendence on Netflix, and Travelers, sorry. And he is so into it, so he didn't get to watch it.
Yo, Scott is like, let's listen.
He loves me. He can't do without me. Any moment that he's not with me, he has to try and be around me. My husband loves me. I'll never forget the day that Scott was in the car and this song came on, and it's a country song. When Scott and I first started going out, he listened to a lot of country music, right? So right in the car and we're listening to this country song, and then it says,
courting white girls.
how would you know that? Who do you know that he's courted?
Do you have any more milk in your breast? Because everybody keeps saying Stevie's hungry. She can't feed. She's a
Look,
breastfed
if
baby.
there was milk, I didn't even have on our breast pads. If there was more milk, it would have come
She
out.
can't feed her if there's nothing there. Can you please stop pressuring the lady to feed her baby?
But
There's
she's
no more breast milk
fed.
in
But she
there.
had one tit, two tit, and I only gave her that sack because I knew she'd hear my voice and she'd want more. She really like her father, you know. She love the breast like her daddy. So anyway, I even forgot what I was talking about.
Fucking bachelor. Let me get the rice.
No, I wasn't. I finished
Yes, you
the bachelor.
were.
Oh, I was talking about when Scott and I started going out and he listened to country music. And then there was this song and it was like, oh, I love you so much that I hope that I don't die before you. But me look over into the car, you know, Scott, that one a ball. I don't know what I'd ever do without you. My husband loves me.
Let me get. Why you don't put your salad together?
My
You don't even
salad?
know how to mix.
What are you talking about? My salad is done.
It's not in a bowl.
Let me get my daughter.
Get your daughter. Okay, so we are going to make white rice, meaning that you don't wash your rice. Just joking. Just joking. We wash our rice, okay? We wash the rice We're making jasmine rice, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to the water, I'm going to add a packet of coconut milk powder, just to give it like some, you know what I mean? Raoul is speaking French. I speak French too. Le petit pois et maison, les si, wa, oui, oui. Good.
So here is Stevie. Wait, why is the video paused? Okay. So here is Stevie, my sweetie sweetie. I hope she's not too cry right now on camera for you guys. You know what? I've been hiding this, but I just want to tell you guys, Stevie kind of cry. Like she kind of cry.
Don't say that about my niece. She not cry. You just guys don't know how to hold her. If I hold her, she stop crying. If I hold her, she stop crying. Right, Stevie? Right? She like the rough up, and you guys don't rough her. You have to go like this. I tell you, that bring up the gas bubbles.
Okay. Where's the lettuce? You finish drying out this lettuce?
Alright, so what I'm going to do now is we are going to wash the rice.
We wash the rice.
We wash the rice. We wash the rice. So we're going to put, I don't know how to cook rice. Manala. That's it. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I feel better about myself now, but I just want to let, I don't know how to cook rice.
Okay. We're gonna put.
You just stop playing super mom, just tell me what to do.
Alright, put 2 cups of rice in the bowl. Yeah. That's 1. And then 2. But that bowl, the slats are very big. The slats are very big. So the rice is coming out! So the rice is dropping out. You need to get something that like...
Okay.
Alright. So we're just going to, so we don't wash it yet, we're just going to collect up. We're just going to collect up the rice.
Yeah,
Because we're not going to waste it.
Just collect it up.
Collect it up.
Just collect it back.
Okay.
Okay. There we go.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Whoa. Alright.
Yeah.
We're going to wash the rice now.
Wash the rice. You coming up to her too, Rem?
No, you can't manage both of them. Just easy yourself.
Ooh. This is why, on Tuesdays, the cupboard is like a zone I step into for adulting and just some like adult time,
kind of handles
which I'm clearly not getting today, right?
Alright, so
Okay, so that was 2 cups of rice.
hold on. You look like you don't know how to cook rice either. This is
What
not
are you talking about? I cook rice all the time.
Yes, but there's
My husband taught me how to cook rice.
so what, you put it in here with the water? You don't boil the water first like pasta?
No.
Okay.
Put the rice in there.
We'll get into the here.
And now you need some butter. You put 2 cups of water in there.
2 cups of water to 2 cups of rice? We're making pudding?
Isn't it 2 to 2?
No, I think it's like
is.
so. Okay, that would be 4.
1.5. Put 1.5. Let me see.
No, Tracy. Your mommy uses her finger.
This is 2 to 2. Okay, stop now. No more. Don't put any more.
4 cups. Buy a rice cooker. 2 cups of rice to 4 cups of water. This is
It's not
exactly
4
what I'm
cups.
saying.
Husband, put 3 cups.
You have to put more water than that, man.
Stop.
I married a Chinese. I know more about cooking rice
Sean
than
has
you do.
never cooked.
No, do the man. Come.
See, this is perfect. Okay, now you put some salt in there.
Wait, whoa. Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
You lie! You lie!
Put some salt in there and then put some butter.
And what about the coconut milk?
Oh, we're making coconut rice?
Wait, I think you'd go nice with the curry.
Too much flavor.
We done fuck up the curry already.
Huh?
We done fuck up the curry already. So we're not going to 1 finger water to the rice.
That's what I did. I did the finger thing. You see? It's
You want that?
yeah.
This much water over where the rice is.
To this knuckle, to the first knuckle.
Wanna look, put your finger in the foodie, man.
Let me show them cook rice.
No, watch it.
Me, you straight show them cook rice, you know.
Yeah, right, this is the video. Like, come show us, baby.
Do I put the coconut milk in the rice or no coconut milk?
I say
No,
no.
coconut milk in the rice. You're cooking rice for
Don't
curry.
add the coconut milk.
This is rice for curry, so
You have
just
to
straight
wash
rice.
your hands before you
I'm not going to put my finger in there, I'm just showing you want this much water
I
over the
did
rice,
that.
right?
Yeah, but
But
sometimes-
one little more water, little more water.
Yeah, because some people
Why?
have
You
longer
say it
finger.
one little more water.
So then it would equals to 1 to 2.
Correct.
Correct.
That is good now.
That's what I said.
Now you want to cover the top now, bring him to a boil, and as
But
he
you have
start
to put
boiling now, you
salt
turn
and
it.
Salt and butter. No
No
coconut.
butter, no butter, just take the salt. Don't put no butter in there. Jasmine rice?
Yeah.
No butter, just
No
take the
butter,
salt.
no butter. Alright, watch out, Remy. Watch
Not
out.
a little, a lot of salt.
You guys use too much salt, man.
Remy, you
Tracy
love
loves salt.
Stevie?
Tell them about the first time Tracy cooked rice.
Oh my gosh, you buy
You want to tell them about that day?
Do I put the cover on it?
Yes, the cook.
I mean, I was just saying, where's the cover?
You want to tell them about when you cook rice for the first time?
Okay.
Come.
Alright, guys. We have 3 minutes remaining. We restart. It's not tough, it's just a little binding. We're not calling Scott. It need more powder seasoning. She's gonna put some more curry. She's gonna put some more allspice. Where is spice? Sean. Alright, let's add spice.
What?
She's not going to answer me.
Where's the curry?
We're gonna call Spice. Spice is not even here. She's gonna be like, why is this girl Jodi? You know, and so she messaged me to be like, hey, I'm ready for the live. And I saved her number as bestie. And I was like, let me not like overuse it, you know?
But this is an emergency.
So Spice, yes, Spice can cook. She's not answering me. No coconut. No coconut milk in the boat.
Where's the
Oh,
curry?
curry
Spice
goat. I
butter.
thought it was curry chicken.
Where's the curry?
To the side by the oil, right there to your left. And that's the salt is there too.
You left some like what the morning?
Add scallion. We have scallion there. They keep Sean, call Spice. Sean made Sean come with the guacamole.
No, you try. I don't want to be on your camera. I'm too pretty.
Where is your helper? She's by the thing now, putting in something. Put on the stove top. I'm not moving it. I'm not moving it. I'm not moving it. Sean, that's a lot. Sean has made some guacamole. Is it peppery?
No. There's onion and salt and lime.
When did you make this?
This morning. You like it?
Yeah, it's a little watery.
Hey.
Who is this
You have
pepper?
our t-shirt.
Who's this pepper here?
Finish it on the stove. I'm not transferring the beef.
Guys, don't worry.
I never know coconut milk could go in curry goat. Why not? It can go in curry chicken and not curry goat.
Because the chicken and the coconut mesh.
Coconut and goat mesh. Goats eat coconut.
Don't matter, yeah.
Okay, everybody is saying no to the coconut milk.
Don't worry, guys.
We're stressing out Brittany Mel.
Mommy.
Yes, sir.
When you got India, them throw coconut milk in every curry, so I'm going to go ahead.
Daddy, Mommy said
Re-season the pot. My helper,
no.
Tracy, is over there seasoning. Okay, no to the coconut milk. We're not doing coconut milk on the beef.
Do it.
The goat. Alright. Oh, let me wipe off my brand new, what is my electric thing. Tracy, you done?
I'm doing the big work over
We
here.
can't add hot pepper because Tracy is breastfeeding. Breastfeeding.
Guys, I'm doing the big work over here.
I'm just here.
Mommy.
Yes, darling.
Can you and my daddy go outside?
Does your daddy want to go outside?
Can we, mommy?
It's 3 o'clock and it's overcast. What do you think?
Come.
She's on. That's not a crock.
I'm going to
No,
try that when you want.
it's not a crock pot. It's a electric pressure. Sorry, electric pressure cooker. Yes, darling. Lady B mixology with her hard cider. We don't have any, Sean, can you ask Winston if there's any ginger? We don't have any ginger in there.
What? No.
There is an actual chef saying that it can work. There's an actual chef saying that we could put curry milk in powder in there, you know.
Yeah, man, no, that man tell you in a
Wait, did you mean the actual chef was Sean? Why you don't, yes, Tracy, why you don't put a coconut milk in there? No, it can't go. Electric cooker, it can cook rice, soup, stew, etc. Lady B to the rescue. Put the rest of this in here? Put this in there.
Yeah, what is it?
Hi, Stevie.
You never dropped, did you put a little white rum in here?
We are Jamaicans, not Indians. I took the AstraZeneca, so I don't know what happened there, okay? So we are using Indian curry and we are using a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Don't be judgmental now. You are not here to help me with my pot.
Whoever said that to go?
Alright.
Sean Paul said to go.
Food or food?
Food is a food. Get with it. Please just add more seasoning. I don't think the seasoning was...
Is it raining?
She's bringing white rum. 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 Tracy, what are you doing?
This is what the pot was missing.
No.
This. I'm telling you.
She can put that?
Don't put no white on in there, man.
Why is she doing that, bro? I'm not doing it. She's doing it. Right? Seriously.
Sean.
All of us think you're mad. All of us.
Why? I think it's to cut the smell because it's a ram goat. The man goat them smell raw.
What they say?
Add a little Mrs. Dash. I have Mrs. Dash.
Well, make everybody mush up
Catherine
over me
says,
and there.
Tracy, yo Tracy, I gonna kill me. Yes to the white rum. Couple people say yes to the white rum. Megan is done with you. No white rum. Spicy caramel, you're too late. Not the white rum. Drew, she put the white rum. I think you will cut the smell.
Alright, guys.
Oh, Catherine's in Ireland. You're not coming back. We don't know. So what we'll do is we'll just, did you add salt?
Yeah, okay. No.
So when you guys head on over to the YouTube version, you can actually see Tracy and what she's adding in the pot. You know, give me like a 5 minutes over on the YouTube, no? Give me like a 5 minutes over on the YouTube. Beg you subscribe, beg you like or unlike. It keeps us on the algorithm. Oh, hold on. It doesn't look as water. Oh my God.
Taste it now.
Okay. All right. But it's not very creamy. Add a coconut milk.
No coconut milk is going anywhere. Let's talk about coconut milk one more time. I'm going to take the coconut milk and I'm going to shove it in the air.
Pimento. Hi guys, and welcome to the 2-hour special of Tuesdays with Tricky, cooking in the kitchen. We are out the closet because it's Pride Week. Dirty Paul, come talk to us now. He's gone outside with Levi. Cut up potato. Wait, that's a good. I think let's cut up potato at the bottom of the fridge. Look in the drawer at the bottom. It's the running belly tonight for me. Excuse me. Do you know how much I paid for my Keisha Coir tea? So I think if I take scallion and potatoes at the bottom already cut up. So a little running belly never hurts anybody. I have a country weekend coming up and good girl is trying to look her best. Yes, you see, you'll get rid of the bloat. Yeah, food in, food out. Just saying. Little more seasoning. Belly I gonna run later like Elaine. Some Irish will thicken the gravy, that's true.
Some more
Scallion. Yes, cut up potato. Potatoes will give the thickness that you need. I don't think anything more can hold in that crock pot though, you know. No carrot in the curry.
carrot.
We do not put carrot like we do not mix vaccines. AstraZeneca straight, okay? Okay, very, very, very good. Still a mix. Scallion, thyme, potatoes, carrots, Irish potato. Just because you are in Ireland, Catherine, does not mean we have to add Irish potato. Potato also grows in Idaho, okay? We have 2 heads of garlic. Show us the pot. Lord have mercy. You have to head over to YouTube.
Alright.
Holy Maggie now.
Want to taste it already?
It actually don't taste, it tastes a lot better, but it's still not, the gravy's still watery looking.
Yes, because we need to put oil with the curry.
You can't put oil.
There's oil in there.
When we put the oil after.
Come and look at the pot.
You put it in there
It
after.
tastes.
Put it in there before we put the pot on to cook.
That's the potato. Let me just chop the potatoes a little
You
bit
don't
smaller.
know.
I was watching her.
You eye them that.
And I said to her,
Pass the potato. Let me cut it up a little bit more.
This is not potato.
What is this? It's sweet potato. It's sweeter than Irish. What kind of potato is this? Where is this from? Alright, we're gonna put
take care of my daughter.
Do we put this in the pot? Hold on. You put this in the pot?
You want to put it in the pot or what?
I don't know. It looks like peat potato and sweet potato. Like maybe this was left over from the soup on Friday. I mean, honestly, at the rate that we're going, just fucking add it.
No bad words.
Just damn well add it.
That's right. I feel like you're moving too fast.
No, because if you're chopping, you have to move fast, girl. What you want to do? Hello, potato, please make your way down to the pot. You have to chop. You chop and you chop. You chop up its backside. All right, this looks like regular potato, which is Irish, and sweet potato. All right, add this to the pot. Can you put sweet potato? Oh my God, not sweet potatoes. Sweet potato, interesting. No, don't use sweet potato. Oh, we just cut up sweet potato. They're saying don't use sweet potato.
Well, I told you that, but why you don't want to listen to
But
me?
some pieces are...
put sweet potato in there. That's crazy.
Why? What will happen? All right, well, these pieces...
Regular potato. Do not put sweet potato.
Okay, I'm going to pick out the pieces of regular potato. All right, the chalkier looking ones look like... Hey guys, remember we go live every Tuesday at 1:30. This show is called Tuesdays with Tricky. And this show is our anniversary show.
Is it?
I don't know, Tracy. But we're trying to use what we have in the fridge. We don't want to waste. You know, which people right now don't have no food to cook. And there's leftover sweet potato and Irish potato. I've never cooked curry goat before, okay? So just stop it. We're not putting sweet potato. I was just cutting it up for the soup on Friday. Alright, this is not a lot of Irish potato though. Here, I'll put this. I bet if there was sweet potato in there, it would look really good.
Alright.
Put some onion. I don't think it needs any more onion.
Alright, I'm finished.
Wait, hold on. Are you sure you don't want any potatoes? I don't have any potatoes. Alright, let's put these 8 pieces of potatoes in.
Never come out and see what's going on.
Alright, there we go. I am. No, I don't want to say that I'm the best cook. However, I've never cooked curry goat before and I can't cook Jamaican dishes. You know what? Because every time I try to cook a Jamaican dish, every single chef out of every nook and corner, like in the comments, is like, don't do that, do this, you're doing it wrong. You know how stressful this is? Use this, use that, don't do this, do this. It tastes really good.
Alright,
The
put
taste is...
the cover back on.
Alright, we'll go back to pressure. We're going back to pressure. Pressure was 5.
Because look, this is, I'm going to taste this now.
It's not about the
Come
looks.
on, come here.
Are you that
No,
big?
take care, baby. Baby doing that pan now, you know.
Wait, hold
Baby
on.
doing that pan now.
Wow.
What?
I'm finishing with the baby. We're not Oriental.
Alright, here
I
we
think
go.
you're finishing with the baby.
It's not about looks, guys. Pressure cook. I'm only going to give it 15 minutes.
The white rum. That is what it was missing.
Alright, here we go.
Come and taste this,
The
girl.
pressure is on high. Okay. The curry juice tastes good enough, but I like. Curry juice tastes good.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, so we just cut up our sweet potatoes. No more curry. Alright, that's not I mean, I wanted to try and find better pack, but we couldn't find a better pack. But you want me to take her?
I'm gonna have to tap out for a bit, guys, and do my child.
Okay, tap out. Alright. Alright, so we're just gonna take up these things from Remy and take it off and add to another pot and put on. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. Only done one buckle of curry? Yes, we did. Mount gum, Jodi says swallow. No man, I've swallowed much more before in the past. Alright. No, it's dinner, you're gonna love it. I mean,
let me see what you're gonna do.
no, you can't open it now because the pot is the curry, the pressure cooker is on. Yeah, the pressure is on. The pressure is on, the pressure is on like it's a cooking show with Ding Dong. Yo, anyone was on a cooking show with Ding Dong? Okay, if I was on a cooking show with Ding Dong, I would want to cook something that is my strength.
So this was the curry sample?
No, put that to the sink. I don't know what Traci was doing with that.
So, when you added the oil, because you didn't add it before you started.
No, we add it after.
That's your problem.
We're not adding any oil. We're not adding any oil.
Well, you put oil in there now, which is at the wrong time, clearly.
We're not putting any oil. It's oil free. What do you want
Well,
oil
now
for?
you put oil in there now. So what you expect to
Lady
happen?
B mixology with the hard cider. We have never cooked curry goat before in our life either.
You never seen me cook curry goat yet.
In the 3 years I've been with Scott, he's never cooked curry goat.
You will never see me cook curry goat yet. Me cook curry goat all the time. Who teach you how to cook curry?
The same person who taught you how to speak patois.
Give it to me. Give her to me. Alright.
You need to go back to what I was doing.
Okay.
Let me take her back. She don't want to be up. She don't want to be up and play. She wants to lay down.
I find she wants to do what Gamma Jodi is doing with her.
Leave me cook curry all the time.
Scott, we have been together 3 years. I've never ever seen you buy goat. I've never seen
You've never seen me cook curry goat? You've seen me cook curry bird,
Okay,
I
a while
cook curry
ago,
chicken.
you've
But
never
I have cooked curry goat, maybe not with you.
Okay, but then in 3 years you haven't cooked curry goat.
Don't let me remind you when you cook rice for the first time, you know.
And I will admit that I wasn't the best rice cooker, but
And
you
me
have
have to show you how to
but
cook
Scott,
rice.
you need to admit your faults when
What
you're
faults?
faulty.
Which faults?
You don't put oil in the goat. Goats already have oil. That's like saying
you burn little oil
that's like
in the
saying
bottom
you
of the
use
pot
oil
with
to
the
cook
curry.
bacon. That's like saying you use oil to cook bacon.
You don't need to burn your curry if you took the AstraZeneca.
Guys, listen. There's a couple things that are just elementary with the cooking, and
Okay,
they don't have
do
it.
you
They
put,
don't have it.
when you're
They
making
don't
the
have
curry
it.
goat, do you put oil in there? Everybody please answer
They're
me.
going to say
Yes.
yes.
They don't, you don't put oil in
Yes.
the curry goat. Why would you put oil on the goat when goat already has its own oils? Sure.
Yo, see there? I throw Scott.
From Snicker and he wasn't even talking about.
Yo, yes. I don't say one no, all no. Yes, oil. Yes,
Scott.
yes,
Hold her like
yes.
this and be rough.
No, don't hold her like that. Scott.
Them for put the oil inside the first with the curry before them put in the goat. Not true. Tell them again for me now,
Look-
please.
look how she-
Scott is right. Wanna read and look.
Hold her just like this to the side. See, she's smiling now.
She's good. You guys just concentrate on the food, cause I don't know. Might have to order some food from Tamron or somewhere tonight.
You know.
Huh?
You are not eating any of this curry delight in here, this
I must curry
AstraZeneca
delight
curry.
because I don't curry goat that.
You're not having any. Final say.
Head too big.
Too big.
So everybody tell me, say, I was right at their food.
Nobody is saying you're right.
We are oil free.
Too big. Scott
We're oil-free.
Scott doesn't know what he's saying.
Yeah. Scott is wrong. No Scott, no oil. Stop. Go over there with Stevie.
See?
Put down the knife.
It's alright, guys. One day I'll teach you guys how to cook curry goat.
We don't need to know how to cook. Gracie cooks a good curry goat,
You know
but
what,
Gracie
Scott,
is
since you know how
awful.
to cook so much, when you come home from work in the evenings, you
And
can
it's
cook.
best to burn the curry for the goat because the goat meat takes curry.
Tell them again, please, and punks.
I would like to thank my forever sponsor, Lady B Mixology.
Yeah,
I love
I'm
you
drunk
until the
off
end
the
of
one
time.
cider.
I drank the rest of your cider.
I didn't even have a lot.
And I even drank the curry goat seasoning.
And who put white rum in a curry goat?
You know Scott is saying white rum does not go in curry goat. Okay, does white rum go in curry goat, yes or no?
You know what? Next time we're going to cook pasta because if you keep calling us white people, we're going to cook white people food. We're going to make pasta and butter.
Well, the curry doesn't from the start.
I mean, I'm just saying that.
Pasta and butter.
Why would I know how to cook curry goat when like other people have cooked it?
I'm going to get down.
Because I tell you how to cook.
Scott, shut up. Chat. You chat too much.
Stevie clearly knows who the cook is going to be in the house. It's not going to be.
Really, you keep it up. You keep it up because when you come home
Jamaican
from work,
food, that is.
when
Jamaican
you come home
food,
from
babe.
work and there's nothing there to eat, you keep it up.
Babe, Jamaican food, you know,
All
is my
right,
thing.
apologize.
I said Jamaican food is my thing.
Oh, what is my thing then?
When you look in the cookbook and find things,
Oh, and how it tastes,
it tastes good. You can follow recipes well, I give that to you.
and how my cooking
But you didn't
tastes.
get a recipe for the curry goat.
No, I did not.
Yeah, but I
I've
cook
never
the Jamaican food.
Okay, I never said I know how to cook Jamaican food, so you need to stop bashing me that I
I'm
can't.
not
Okay,
bashing
okay,
you.
all right. Let's move on to another
Not
topic,
bashing you.
guys. So last
But this
night
is the
on The
topic, this is the
Bachelor,
dinner.
last night on The Bachelor, the girl went haywire
It's Bachelor in Paradise now.
in Paradise.
Which girl?
Because it's not Paradise anymore. Let's
Jodi
do
didn't even
shots.
watch.
Let's do shots. Oh, look. Remy brought
I'm
the shot
not doing
cup.
no white rum shot. Get away here with that. I'm mad.
It's my birthday.
Today's not your birthday. Your birthday is in November. It's like the
Oh my
13th.
goodness, did you turn off the rice? Let me check.
Let me check the
Rice.
rice. And if you don't turn off the rice, what?
The rice is off.
You don't
Turn it
the
off.
rice.
It's off.
Turn
It
it
is
off.
off.
Stop. Why would you turn it back on and you don't even look in the pot?
I don't need to.
I cooked the rice.
Is my favorite part.
Perfect.
Cleanup time.
Yeah, because I told you guys what to do.
Stevie is so cute. Why didn't you guys get a recipe before I want to do this? I didn't have the time. Uh-oh. But that one didn't save. This is too much. Watch the curry just turn pink. Lights out to the ting.
What is going on? This is too much.
You lick a sip.
Where's my water?
How the Jodi is always for lid.
Maybe I finished my side and now I'm drunk. I'm drunk.
What you were drinking?
She was drinking a hard cider, mango and tamarind flavor. Hi, Rain. Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Cooking in the Kitchen with Tricky.
But I
Today,
just want to say thanks to our sponsors, which was Smart Grow. They sent us some mixed lettuce. They also sent us some mixed
let's
greens.
do shots.
Who are you going to do shot? Call somebody in to do a shot with them.
Who wants to do a shot with me?
They also
Get
sent
your
mixed
liquor
greens.
and let's
so
go.
we made a salad.
I'm gonna
They
call
are
you
all
to do a
organic.
shot.
It's grown right here in Jamaica.
Who wants to do shot?
And
Come, Debbie.
I love it. I love it. It's easy to wash, easy to use, it's already picked and packed.
All right, we're calling Debbie. Debbie, don't flop me. Get your liquor. Let's do a shot. Debbie is not. I need to pee. Pepto would be a good sponsor.
Also, you guys, I forgot to tell you,
You guys are so bad,
Smart
man.
Grow is making pesto sauce as well. So if you call them and order from them for their delivery, which they do deliver in the Kingston area on special days, the pesto is not in the supermarkets as yet, but they will have the pesto sauce there, and they're in conjunction with Uncle Ducky's hot sauce. They use that in their pesto. You can buy Smart Grow mixed greens at Low Shusan, Super Value.
Get your liquor ready, girl. You ready? You ready? Okay, we are now live with Coolie Gal. Ready? Ready? Go. Cheers, girl. Wash it down with some Lady B. Love you. Bye.
What is going on here?
Nothing just happened. That was so quick, you didn't even know what happened.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, the timer is up.
So, it's just me right now, standing strong.
I'm gonna go wee.
Between Lady B and Jay, her nephew, Jodi is not doing too well, right? Anyway, just want to say I took Stevie for a walk this morning around my complex, and I looked down at my legs and I realized that I need to shave. And I just think this is like one of those things where you just don't know what's happening in your life. Anyway, let me see if I can dance for you. I think, can you see that? I think I do good. Another African dance. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Do you know how the African music dances go?
That was another 15 minutes of pressure. Pressure. Okay, that's it now. Guys, I think that's it for the show. That's it for the show.
Can't manage no more.
No, can't manage no more.
She can't manage no more. You're done.
Alright, so we take on shots. Let's do shots with one more person.
One more person.
One more person. Get your liquor ready. We're gonna who's ready for a shot?
Everybody gets your
The
liquor
dirt
ready.
bones? We don't know what to do with dirt. Okay. If we call you either doing a shot or you're showing us the dirt bones. Ready? Passion. Come, let's see what Passion doing. Show.
I don't know what the dirt bones is.
Yeah, because Elaine won't need though.
I don't know what the dirt.
Dirt bones. You in at the airport.
I am at the airport watching you guys well entertaining me.
Okay, come dirt bones. Dirt bones.
How you do it?
How you do it?
So you want me to do it at the airport? And then-
Yes.
Oh, go ahead.
Set up your phone. Ready.
Set it up, girl. Ready. Dirt
Show us
bones.
what to do. Yeah.
And then I'm going to do it with my battery.
Safe travels, my girl.
I'm coming from Miami going into Toronto.
Oh, okay.
Passport. Stamp
These
up.
are the things you do for love, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm in DC right now, heading back to Toronto.
Okay.
Oh, very
Safe
good.
flight.
Safe
Bye.
Very good, God, I'm so shocking. I'm sorry, I got me hungry.
We don't know what's happening with it, but it's okay. It's okay.
Not
It's
sure,
okay. It's
not
okay.
sure.
We're not sure. It's okay.
Nothing trying, nothing gain, right?
Yeah, exactly. So we switch your subject. We're the dirt bunks now on shots. Bye. See?
Going down?
All right. Who can teach us safe travels? I think that's it for today, now, guys. I think that's it. You have a whole heap of people watching us, you know. Should we go? Should we stay? Should we go? Let's see these requests.
Alright, so let's see what's happening. Can we do one dirt bones?
Yeah, but anybody who's requesting us, they don't look like the things you do for. Correct.
So I just want to learn how to do the dirt bones.
It's something like this. Elaine was going like this anyway.
I don't even remember these.
Spice, are you there? Can you teach us the dirt bones?
Or ding dong.
Or ding dong?
Or anybody.
Anybody?
Too much to learn today. Dirt bones and how to cook curry goat. Wow, I'm overwhelmed.
Okay, well, we're finished with the curry goat, so we have to do something else.
Is the curry goat really finished? Or is it 11
It's
minutes
15
left?
minutes. It's cooling down. So that's pressured now for 45 minutes.
That was 15 minutes?
Yeah.
How you know? I just don't find this is going too well. I just don't find it. Okay. Somebody says to watch the dirt bones on YouTube and then we miss it.
But you see how we like set up can't cook curry goat, can't do dirt bones. Let it cook a little more. That's 45 minutes now. Is Ding Dong here? Yo, Ding Dong is so cute.
Oh, teacher.
Please serve, make a meal with Scott Traci. Alright, ready? Put it up on the white room. What are they doing? Simple. Dirt bowl. I think you have to be with your hips like this. Look, like they go. Like, oh, he cooking curry, so it's good. Dirt bowl.
How are you looking? How are you looking? How are you looking? How are you looking?
Dirt bowl.
How are you looking? 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 Did I get it? Did I
Okay,
get it?
my YouTube demonetized.
Yes! I just had to catch it.
What, let me show me?
No. You have to move your waist like this, like back and forth.
Wait,
And then you
wait,
put your
but
arms.
the guys are doing it. So guys
Yeah.
are doing this.
Yes, they are. Yes.
Guys,
Yes.
dirty tonight.
Yes. Wow. Yes. There, you have to move your waist. Move it more. Move it more. Keep your belly on your back. Yes. Wow. Yes. Move it, but your hands in a circle. So make a circle. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Joe. Yeah, Joe.
If I dirt, you know.
If I dirt, I dirt.
Is it not time to go? It's not back. That's all I have. Spread your legs a little into the hip movement. Move your hips up and down.
Me catch it. There. Roll. There. Roll. There. Roll.
Okay, guys. More rum Jodi to loosen up. Who's gonna do a shot with me? Where's Spice? Alright. Guys, I think that's it for today. We will get reactions of everybody when it is dinner time. Dinner tonight. That's what she said. She said when it's dinner. Or do we just bring you a story with
We
how
have to
everything is going?
restart it because guess what? I haven't even finished the salad yet.
Okay, let's restart the live. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 2-hour.
Anna, your turn.
Tracy.
Please check out her legs. Can you please check out the stuff? Please check out
Just
the
jerk her.
I'm jerking
Then
her.
jerk up any bubbles.
She's being jerked.
Okay, so we're going to bring you the 2-hour special of Tuesdays with Tricky. We're going to restart the live, so make sure you join us because by that time, our curry goats will be ready. Alright? Okay? Alright, we're going to restart right now. Make sure you join us back. My gosh of goodness.
How many people do you have? Alright.
YouTube can see us talking to each other.
I know, YouTube sees so much more.
We might not be looking at your YouTube, but we...
I'm looking at the YouTube. What are you talking about?
Alright, let's find a good picture. Ah, this is a good one of us fighting. Title. Curry
That's
for
not how you
burn.
do it.
Huh?
That's not how you do it. Curry for burn, yes.
Oh, I was talking curry fee
Burn.
burn.
You don't want too much sauce here. Remember to the curry and sauce. And put the gravy on it.
2-hour special anti-series.
Where's the salad bowl?
Oh, in the second drawer down, the metal bowl. Tuesdays with Tricky. And post. And let's. Yes, darling, why are you spanking my bottom? What are you eating? You're eating the rice grains on the counter, aren't you? Alright, we're starting back again.
Okay.
Jeez.
Okay.
We're starting back again.
Baby, you playing with her?
We're starting back again.
No, don't give her any more.
We're starting back again. Where's this come from? Give her to me. I will burp her. This is too confusing, man. This is too confusing. Now them don't know how to burp the baby. Them don't know how to burp the baby. Now me know how to burp baby. My baby them never have burp ketchup in them chest. Me know how to burp baby. Pass the baby. You alright, remember? Say pass the baby. Alright guys, welcome back to the second part of Tuesdays with Tricky. We see you're all really excited to find out how the curry goat is going, and most of you are back. Remy has finished eating the dried rice grains off the counter. Welcome back. Tracy, is her belly going griper? She's a goat.
Hi guys, I'm in the video as well.
Here, stand up here. Okay, all right. So we have our Smart Grow mixed greens here. Show them. Show them.
So it's all covered up.
In what?
Do you want to put a piece of paper towel on the bottom just to keep the...
Like
Yeah.
paper towels, dry thing, whatever you call it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we also are going to need.
Sean, you smell anything delectable going on?
Yes, I'm not supposed to.
so all of this is stirred mixture. So if we put it in, it will
So we're gonna put the salad in this bowl.
like with your arms like this.
With your hands? Yeah, well, okay. You want me to get you the tongs?
What tongues? Yeah, the tongue.
Check on draw down. Hold on, third draw down. There you go. There you go. Alright, so right now Levi is moving the Smart Grow mixed greens into our salad bowl for apparently the best tasting salad you've ever had.
It really is though, like I'm not going to lie. The mixed green salad, it just has a little je ne sais quoi.
I'm going to, wait, hold on.
Guys, I will not have this, but it's gonna be very good.
Wait, hold on, our camera is going down. Hold on. Let me just read.
You not eat it. You not eat it.
Okay. I have this and all of this. And so I'm gonna mix all of this into slowly mixture. See all of this? Stir it.
Okay. So then we have our.
Is it too up? Can you see yourself, Levi?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have the Smart Grow salad here, which is some of their mixed greens with
And
some
I'm
of their
gonna
just
shake
plain lettuce, right?
This.
You're gonna shake it. Very good.
I'm gonna shake that lettuce out.
Okay, you're gonna shake that. Okay, shake it. And then so the lettuce, as I said earlier, comes pre-washed, but we still did a little bit of washing. And I'm just
Wait,
gonna.
there's more in there.
Okay, well, put some in. I'm just gonna have Levi pat it dry. So now for the rest of this salad that we're putting together, it's an Oriental Mangarin salad. There's 3 ingredients, which is our sweetened sunflower seeds, mandarin oranges, and the Smart Grow lettuce.
Oh, let me
So-
check ours.
Is it boiling?
No, not yet. Not
Okay.
yet.
So then, you know what? If she
Here
put it
comes
upstairs
the
in
black
Levi's
one.
room, should have a much better sleep. But remember
Yeah.
to turn on the monitor.
The monitor is here. When he comes on, I'll turn it on. You remember to give her some AC.
Just turn on the fan because the AC is going to be too cold for her. So much instructions for one child, right? Okay, so very good. Now you can put the mandarin slices in there. So mandarin slices, you can get them at any supermarket. They're already. This is a brand that I got.
What is happening in the comments? Guys,
what's
Guys,
happening?
you see, I finished
it's not
all
about
of
looks.
this.
We're preparing a dish and we're having a good time. What I don't understand the look argument
Okay,
in the
mommy,
comments.
stop.
What they
So
said?
guys, I
They're
finished
saying I look
all
old, I
of
don't look
this
good, look at my
thing.
wrinkles.
So
We're not
I'm
cooking
gonna-
wrinkles. Fake page. Okay, let's get over that. My gosh. Can you imagine if everybody looked the same and looked good, Instagram good? Get over it, people. Okay? I'm gonna go and cry and get Botox tomorrow. Okay,
Stop,
fake page?
Joe.
Just stop. We're adding our mandarin.
Come. Let me hear Scott.
Doing something.
What you getting?
Okay, so we just put our mandarin slices on top like that. And then we get our...
Is it still hot?
No, these are not hot anymore. They're cooled. Our sweetened sunflower seeds. Do you want to taste?
I don't want to taste.
No? Remy doesn't want to. Wait, let's bring Remy closer. Remy is in this.
Wanna do that?
We're just
Yeah.
going to put all on top.
Just
Just
here.
like- Oh! Whoops.
It tastes really good.
They taste so good, don't they? And throw it all on top, just like this.
I'm just making sure that it's good and
Good job. Ah, Remy
But
said
let's
good
try.
job.
Don't
Don't stop up the mandarin. Because you'll make it mushy mushy. Good
you.
job.
All right.
Good job, Remy.
All right, now it's finished.
Would you like to have a nap? No? Okay.
Some of the sunflower seeds are stuck to the pot. You want to try them again, Joe?
I
They
do.
taste
They're
so
really good.
Want to try one more?
So, how did you get the sugar to caramelize? What's that? 30 minutes of the crock pot is up.
Is it?
Let's see what's happening over there. Hold on. I think it may need more.
Waiting on the goat. Well, I'm waiting on the goat too. Okay, guys. So,
Oh, you turn this off.
asking
You
me.
press the off button.
Oh, really?
You have to fix. You have to
You guys are really he's so tasty.
Where's the manual?
Did Tricky add the mandarin orange juice? No, I did not. I drained off the mandarin juice. So this is how your salad will look when it's finished.
Okay.
But it does not need to be whisked and it did not need to be juked up by the
Yes, it does.
No, baby.
It does.
It's done. It's done.
No, it's not done.
Okay.
The goat needs to be depressurized, and then we'll make.
But I think it
use
needs
this.
more than 30 minutes, Joe. Don't you guys think the goat needs more than 30
But it's
minutes?
an electric pressure cooker from foreign.
Forever Shawnee. Forever Shawnee.
Let me wipe right there.
Stay with us. Stay with us. Please. Please.
So they're gonna go?
Yes, Jodi. I will let Jodi know to slow release it. But no, she said she can't watch. I think it needs more than 30 minutes.
Is this a hot super?
So let me open it, start it, and I put it back on.
Okay, but slow release it. Everybody's saying
Wait,
slow
I have
release
to wait. I have to wait. Wait, why is it? The timer is now going down. I don't want it to get. Hold on. Okay, it's off. So I'm waiting for the little button to go down, and then I'll open it. Let me check my rice.
Okay, and this salad would have looked so much better if I didn't juke it up with a wooden spoon.
The rice is coming to a broil.
But anyway, that's it. Those are all the ingredients for this salad. And trust me, it is a winner chicken dinner salad. Okay.
I'm waiting. So on the electric pressure cooker, it has a little. How do you let this steam out? I think there's like a thing, and once it goes down, it will be allowed to open it.
Salad is ready. Salad
Salad
ready.
looks good. Salad looks good.
Oh, okay.
Irish potato. I think the crock pot could not hold anymore. Because Irish potato, we didn't even have any ginger.
The sunflower seeds taste so good.
The sunflower seeds are
Don't
good.
worry, I have some ginger for you.
You have ginger? Wow, Levi to the rescue with the ginger.
All right, guys. Oh, okay.
Jack, come on, ginger.
Ginger, here comes the ginger. Here's the ginger now. This is rum.
It's beaten ginger.
Don't orange juice, rum.
Okay, so the rice
Rice is boiling.
So guys,
You want
I'm
orange juice?
trying to boil
Get
this.
your cup. Where's your cup?
And it's like
Where's your cup?
so hot.
Where's your cup? Where's your cup?
Yup.
Get your cup when I give you orange juice. Alright everybody, so this is today cooking with the Stewart sisters.
Nice.
The outfits are from Amazon.
exhausted.
Ninja ginger, we don't have any ginger powder, we don't have any ginger.
I have
Move over now.
Oh sorry.
Okay.
ninja. I have ginger and ninja powder.
Is this a first meal for our senior village? No, we will hire somebody to cook for our granny gardens.
I got.
Okay. So anyways, what else did I want to talk to you guys about today? I had a few things I wanted to mention.
Why don't do a tricky's corner?
A tricky
For
corner?
people who make fake pages just to say mean things.
What do you guys think about that? I mean, you were just here a while ago, a fake page was on, and they were saying mean things about us.
Can you
Like,
make fake page, subscribe over to the YouTube channel, Jodi and Tricky, and make sure you leave your horrible comments and your dislikes over there because it also keeps us on the algorithm. So make sure you check out our YouTube channel.
I just think that, you know, it's easy to, I think it's easier, and I was thinking about this the other day, you know, this is my Tricky's corner today. It's easier to drown yourself in sorrow that has a lot to do with doubt and failure. It's easier to say to yourself, oh, I'm a failure, or oh, I'm worthless, or oh, I don't do anything, because it's easy to fail, right? When you try and you're consistently trying and you're consistently trying to do your best and trying to work hard, it's hard. Trying to do your best constantly is hard, and sometimes your best may not be what will reach the top, but it was your personal best. And so guess what? It's hard to try and get back on that wagon again and give another 100%. That's hard. It's hard. So when you see people who have reached the top, you know, it doesn't matter if you think, oh, they got it easy or not. I promise you, there were times when it didn't feel so good to them. There were times when they felt sad, when they felt doubtful. But people who live in the bubble of failure, let that drown them. People who live in the bubble of success come again and they get back on the horse. So I just feel that some like fake page people are living in that, drowning in that bubble of failure, and if that's where they want to be, then that's who they're gonna find like personalities or like camaraderie with, you know. So to me, I just ignore them because
But they
that's
said
not
I
what
have
I'm
wrinkles.
on.
At least I can pay for Botox though.
That's not what I'm on, so I just ignore them because that's not the people who I want to hang out with.
Oh, go get them up. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. Go get the little mop.
And move that glass.
On
Guys,
the table. Let me get a
I got ingredients. So these are the ingredients. So this has ingredients in this one, and this one does not. So since I put this one there because it has nothing, shake them up like this.
She went down to the water. This is a lot.
Shake. Get it hard, and then put your soup bowl in front of you.
Come remember.
So I love that. And this one now, pour it in. Put this chicken in it.
Thank you to Lady B Mixology for sending over some alcohol.
Cook it up.
Couldn't do this without you.
Tastes good, but we need some salt and pepper.
Okay.
So
Okay, I must get it? Anyway. Yeah. So anyway, the other day I was watching this YouTube or this TikTok. I don't have TikTok, but I think I might download it. How many of you guys have TikTok out there? Do you guys have TikTok?
I have TikTok. Jodi Jeans 876.
I know, I feel like I'm the only one who doesn't have TikTok, but this lady was making all natural deodorant.
Okay, guys, I got the salt and the pepper. So, whoa! Oh,
So she was making all natural deodorant, right? And I was like, oh, should I try this all natural deodorant with it again? But she made it with like coconut oil, arrowroot powder.
what?
Don't press that button. It's hot over there. Come, Levi, quick. Curry juice going to jump up on you.
I just felt like it sounded so wetty with like coconut oil under my arm, like, and if that gets onto your clothes, won't it stain? It don't sound like a good recipe to me. I'm just gonna have to stick with my Dove deodorant tonight.
No, put that back. Too many things.
Joan Sebastian does not have TikTok.
I think the rice is ready.
I mean, I don't know what is going on.
Father, you ready to fight?
No, no fighting.
Anyway. I still have about 10 pounds to lose from my pregnancy, so.
But one more. How that work? How that work? Rice is crunchy.
Well, I'm gonna put more water in there. Hold on. I'm gonna fix the rice. Right. So guys, last night on The Bachelor, there was like 4 different people and I didn't know how to deal with it because the girl was so cry. And then, oh my God, I left my sister to me. The girl was so cry and I was like, The Bachelor was, I turned it off. I don't use that stove, so I don't know how to work it.
Oh guys, I forgot to tell you something. I am a ninja kid.
Cover and steam. I did that.
No, we haven't finished. No finished cooking yet.
Well, if we overpressure the curry, then we'll need crunchy rice because we'll have soft curry goat and crunchy rice. It's perfect.
I can do a cartwheel.
No plastic bag over the rice. We don't have any plastic bags in this house.
Okay. So anyway,
Mint. She's salting. Oh, you know it needs more salt.
I tasted it with my teeth.
I'm dying to open this pressure cooker to see. Foil paper over the rice, low fire. Jodi talk about the 6 fastest. No, we're not going to talk about the 6 fastest women in the world. We are going to talk about Elaine. We're going to talk about our new area code 123. Big up to our Jamaican Olympians, our Jamaican runners. We're big up to Elaine.
What are you doing?
Big up to Shakira and big up to Shelly. You guys did us so proud, honestly. And you know what I find so unfair about this whole moment?
What I find about unfair is that like I never got to do track and field at school, and so my thighs are
Mind the
really
glass,
large.
Levi.
I feel like
No. We're not gonna take away from Elaine right now. Elaine
I
did
need some
0.5 microseconds behind Flojo, which was the fastest time in the
You
world.
ready to put
And I just
salt
feel like
on your hair?
more attention needed to be paid to Elaine and to what she accomplished and the amazing run that she ran, and not to what happened with the young lady that came in last. I think that's Elaine, I think that's Shelly, I think that's Sharika. They're all very humble. They interview very well, they run very well, they have a whole heap of talent. And I think that by not talking about that and by not talking about the run, it takes away from that. And I don't really, the jokes, the memes were great the first day, sure. Put fire under the little girl tail, Shakari, because honestly, she was a little too cocky for somebody who was not able to deliver. But okay, it's over now. Let us talk about Elaine. Today she was on a private plane. Yes, good day. Yes, she was on a private plane heading somewhere because she don't fly commercial anymore. That is for the locals, the people who shop on Amazon. She know about Amazon, okay? So
the girl
big up
on
to
a
yourself,
private
Elaine. Big up to yourself,
plane.
Shelly. Big up to yourself, Sharika.
I want to go on a private plane.
We just want to big you up, and we just want to thank you for the notoriety that you brought Jamaica, and we hope that you do get some big contracts signed soon. And
I don't hope, I expect it. Being
No,
the fact
you know
1,
what?
2, 3, you should get it. Like I agree.
I
change our
understand that
area code.
Nike is a foreign brand. However, I understand Nike is a foreign brand, so they're trying to get their foreign runners. But at the same time, Nike, don't you want to represent the fastest person in that race? Don't you want the fastest runner, the fastest Olympian to have your sneakers on? So I just, I'm
That's why we support Puma. Puma will probably give them a contract. Puma always wants the fastest people.
and Puma is comfortable. Puma look good. Puma has Usain Bolt. Puma has she's not a runner, but Winnie Harlow. They also Puma dresses our runners, and our runners are decked out. And guess what? Puma will make you go faster. So last night a tweet was made by Debbie. What's Debbie's? Why is everything? Things are blanking out.
Are we
right now.
gonna put this
Debbie?
in the Play-Doh?
Debbie from TVJ. What is Debbie's name again? Debbie.
Miss Ambitious, I'm sure. I will never forget
Debbie,
that.
what is Debbie?
Miss
Debbie, what
Ambitious
is Debbie's
asked if I
name?
get the
Debbie
award.
said
I am
until they
sure
sign
I did,
Elaine,
but-
until they sign a Jamaican, that she's not going to buy any more Nike, and I agree. I will go out of my way to buy a Puma or a New Balance or
I mean,
a
it's
brand
not
from
like Nike's the best
Amazon.
brand anyway.
So Nike rub my too.
Debbie Bisson.
Right, Debbie Bissoon.
Joy said Nike rubber too.
Let me check if my curry goat can be checked.
Guys, you want to put this in the curry goat?
That's Play-Doh.
It's curry chicken.
It's curry chicken.
Well, the way this is going, it might as well add it.
Guys, you want some curry chicken to eat?
I just want to let y'all know that right now I'm stepping on rice grains from when Jodi washed her rice. So anyway, how has lockdown been for everybody? Has it been relaxing? I mean, it's been the same for me because I feel like I'm on lockdown every day, you know, with my baby because I can't go anywhere due to Corona. So just lock it down with a good man. Lock it down, lock it down, with your man. Lock it down, hold it up with your man. Lock it down, hold it up with your man, with your man, or your woman, whatever you want. You know, it's trying to be politically correct. Anyway, so I do want to say that I want to start. Oh my gosh, why would you ask that? What do you love? Are you sure? Is asking what's for dessert.
We have ice cream. We have. What else do I have that's sweet?
So the goat is being checked right now. That is the steam coming off of the goat. That is what's happening right now.
It still smells a little raw, though, I'm not gonna lie. But I want to open
I
it.
think it smells good.
It smells.
I think it smells good.
Yo, ram goat steam.
Well, this was a ram. This was a ram for sure then. Anyway, so I forgot what I was saying before. Oh, how has lockdown been for all of you guys? Nobody's answering about my lockdown question. Everybody is telling me how. There's Stevie.
Who is that, Stevie?
Come, bring her.
So, I know I'm going to cause a little bit of controversy right now, but that's just how I am and who I am. And to be honest with you, I just think that these periods of lockdown are very unfair to the 80% of Jamaica who is either working class or lives, you know, hand to mouth. And I just feel like, you know, I'm going to be doing some care packages soon because although I'm very, what did my friends say to me? I think I've been drinking too much. But anyway, I think that lockdown is very unfair to those who live meal to meal. And that would represent a lot of Jamaicans. And I do want to know that I'm thinking of you, that I'm going to try and help you as much as I can. I do think that it is unfair. And when we hear a lockdown coming and the middle class and up can run to Price Smart and fill their carts, I think that all of those people, like, where is everybody getting this money from, by the way? Anyway, while the middle class and such can run to Price Smart and fill their carts, and you can go to the supermarket and you can fill your carts, I just want you guys to remember that there's people out there who that buy toothpaste by the squeeze when they need it, that wash windows, that sell fruits, that do various things, that you know. But I just you know.
So this is how a baby looks when she's having colic. And you feel the tenseness of the tummy, and that's the kind of cry. It's like Stevie has a really bad colic. Yeah. So this is my mama roux right here. This is setting 1 on the mama roux. What was happening with the oh my gosh, let me check the rice. Hold on.
So it's depressurized, it's ready to open. Scott, you saw what I did? You have to do that. Yes. I know what to do. The bouncing and the loud shh, shh, shh. Like, come on guys. Alright, so I'm going to open the pressure cooker with the I'm going to open the pressure cooker with the goat to see like where we're at, if I need to put it on some more. Loud Joe, loud. She likes loud. Gripe water, she gets in some gripe water. But you saw how I did it? Like this. It's more like... It helps to run the bubbles of the air or the colic out of... You fix the rice? Alright, let's see.
I fixed the rice.
I hope this don't explode on you.
Ah! I burnt my lip. Oh my gosh.
No, I don't think I can open this.
I burnt my lip. Oh. Oh.
I'm waiting for
Yeah, the rice is shredding. I burnt my lip down. Ugh.
I don't think I can open that yet. Can I open this yet? This is the thing.
Turn off the rice for me, please. Don't uncover it. Just leave
Okay,
it
here we
there.
go. thing is down. The thing is down. I can open. There we go.
Okay, she's opened the crock pot.
I've opened the crock pot. Okay, let's get some beef over here and taste it.
Goat. Let's get some goat over here and taste it.
Alright. Smelling very goaty.
No, I use a colic brand called Colic, K-O-L-I-K, and it works like a charm. It is so amazing. She drinks it. She drinks it.
Alright,
Okay. Alright. So this is a goat. This is how it's looking. This is how it's looking.
cut off a piece.
Okay. I'm going to cut off a piece and taste it.
I just thought that the liquid be a little bit more quick. Oh, it's cooked. It's cooked?
It looks cooked. I cut a piece open and it looks like it's cooked.
It's not, yeah, the curry white.
Or you need to cook more. It's still so tough.
What if I put the coconut milk in there and then cook it some more?
It needs salt.
How much more salt you want? We don't have it. She's spitting it out. Alright. So, I'm going to head over to my pot. I'm going to add a little salt and a little curry, but so far it's doing amazing.
And let me help the pot.
Stir it up. Here, don't waste a piece. Put this piece back.
Alright.
Put that piece back. Sprinkle a little, love and care and magic on the top of there. So yeah, what you want? The curry?
No.
I think you should put a packet of this in there.
I think not.
Okay, so it needs to pressure a little bit more. It needs some salt.
Where's the spoon there? Where was the spoon? The soup here, the leader I was
In the top. Oh, the soup lady was using. I put it back. Put it in the pressure cooker, Sean.
No.
This?
Don't do that. Just let me fix it, okay?
Alright, Tracy says she'll fix it. Move around the pieces in the case. Okay, move. She's gonna stir it. What? That's very fast. Move around the pieces. Stir it.
Yeah.
Does the pot make a pressure sound? Yes, it does. What kind? Don't pressure it anymore, Jodi. It kind of needed like a 10 minutes more. It's a little long.
We haven't put the YouTube up yet, we still have to put it up. Yeah.
So we're missing the whole middle part of part 2 of Cooking with Trickies. This is the
where Scott and I got into a fight.
It's over on YouTube. Our YouTube camera is rolling and we have not been looking at our YouTube, but it's our YouTube. We know say love us. We know say love us. Husband is coming in here and husband seems to think that this is fine. Sissy want this. See you want this.
Dirt, boom. Dirt, boom. All right.
We want wagwan with the curry. It's the pressure cooker is depressurizing. I think I did a damn good job at this curry. I'm not gonna lie. We need Sean and Scott to be the judges. Okay, when we plate later, we're gonna plate and we're gonna get a story of them eating their curry. It doesn't matter what I cook, the men will eat it. Just show. Alright, where's the white room? We want to thank our sponsors today. We had the Learning Hub with our Learning Binder, which honestly, guys, has been a great help, especially in the lockdown. You can catch them out over on our Mecca Jamaica page. We're going to put up some pictures of the Learning Binder. You send in your information, and you will get and you will get their personalized handmade binders for your kids to help out, especially during this time. Homework, extra lessons, or just something during this time. Also, I've used this before. This is the lettuce I buy in my house. This is mixed lettuce by Smart Grow, because you don't want no dumb grow, right? So Smart Grow mixed lettuce.
And they also have Smart Grow mixed greens, which is a mix of lettuce, arugula, fennel, kale, whatever they have. No coriander. Whatever they have on hand that is in season and it is green, them throw that in there. That is the Smart Brew mixed greens. They also have a pesto sauce, which I will make. You want lettuce? This is a lettuce you must get. All right. And we are having our brand new Instapot pressure cooker. We're checking it out today to see if the curry goat is going to make it work. Somebody saying this was a good live today. We'd like to thank you for joining us outside of the closet. It was way too hectic. It is 3 hours long.
Jodi says don't drink anymore. I agree. Anyway, all right. Love you guys.
All right, everybody. Thank you so much. Make sure you check us out over on YouTube, where the second and the third segment, which will not be posted on Instagram, will be over on our YouTube. Make sure you check it out. Drop a like, drop a subscribe.
Love you. Bye.
Drop anything you want. Drop a doodle, as Remy would say. We love you. Bye. Next week again.